alright. Alright.
Okay, hello, my name is Gary. So today another new tutorial for you. It's the no nonsense tutorial to how to make a ringtone on your iPhone. Okay, without having you to jailbreak your iPhone and without having you to connect to your computer or using iTunes. All you have to do is to download two free application on iTunes. Okay, so this is my phone. Okay, now I'll show you. First thing you have to download these two applications. Is called the Documents and the GarageBand. So both are free, and I will leave a link to these two applications on under my description. So you check my description to get into the shortcut to iTunes to download this free application. Okay, so once you have downloaded the two applications from iTunes, the Documents and GarageBand, right? First thing you have to open up. Okay, our idea is to download a MP3 from the internet. Let's say you can also do the ringtone by using a local file store in iTunes, but this method I will teach you how to download the MP3 and subsequently how to store it on iCloud and then import it into GarageBand. So open up this document. Okay, you bring up this home page. So our idea is to download the song and put it into iCloud so that the GarageBand can pick up the song. So press on this item, this icon over here, which will fire up your browser. Okay, and for my demonstration or my example purpose, right, I will be using mp3.direct. You can use any of your song which you can download a free mp3. Of course, after I download the mp3 for this tutorial, I will delete the mp3 away from my handphone, obviously. So just you can actually type any song that you want. Okay, maybe for a quick one I will use Faded. Okay, so once you search the Faded, right, you can find a relatively shorter, I mean the smaller file. So for me, you can actually preview a song over here. If you want to confirm whether is it the song that you want, you can actually preview. Okay, it is the song. So once you have confirmed, just click on the download button. So once you click download, right, it will ask you where you can save your file. For us, for this tutorial, we have to save it in the iCloud folder. So save on iCloud. The song name, you can actually rename it. So once done, you just click on save. It will take a while, probably like a few seconds or 1 minute to display something that's already done downloading. Okay, so it has been successfully downloaded, so you can actually check it over that what song you have downloaded. So Faded, okay, 3.4 MB. So once you have downloaded that onto your iCloud, is automatically upload onto your iCloud. So once that is done, exit the application, go to the second application, the GarageBand. Once you open, right, okay, depending on version, it might look slightly different from my handphone. Just intention is just to browse to this microphone audio recorder. So click on this. Okay, it will bring you up to the application. Click on this button over here, 1 2 3 here. Okay, so this is where you actually can edit your song. First thing, very important, ringtones maximum length is 30 seconds. So first thing, we need to actually click on the add button. That will actually allow you to increase the length of the song. So bars means how many seconds, so we need 30 seconds, but for this illustration I will just use 25. You can put as up to 30 seconds. Okay, I put 25, so I click done. So any song that you import into here will be 25 seconds. So to choose the song, click on the right second icon over here, this one. Click on this. Okay, now if you want to choose music from iTunes local, iTunes or any songs that's in your local, right, just click on this music. Under the song, these are all the songs that's already on your iPhone. Otherwise, this tutorial we will go to iCloud to get the song. So you click on the audio file and there's nothing yet, so you have to import from your iCloud drive. Click on here and all the songs are actually on this document folder. So you click on this, you can actually get, just now the song that we saved is at the extreme left hand corner, Alan Walker song. click on this. It will take a while and wait patiently. It will pop up here once it's done. So once load, right, you click and hold and then drag it over here. Okay, so you will start to buffer the song and it will be a 25-second song. Of course. Okay, now you hear that this one have a TikTok sound. TikTok sound is so disturbing. Just click on this button. You will have no TikTok sound. Okay, anyway, now I just teach you how to cut the song using this application. Just click on this and use this to drag maybe here. Okay. Okay, so let's say we want to start over here, right? You can just drag this to over here. Okay, if you want to edit, you can actually pinch out, can do a final adjustment. Okay, so once done, it's good with that, right? Just pinch in again, drag the whole song over to the starting point. Whole song to the starting point, and this make this to 25 seconds. So let's preview the song. Okay, so we managed to cut the song in the middle and it will run for 25 seconds. So I don't need to hear the whole song. So once, how to save this song, right? Just click on this button over here and click on this. So once done that, right, okay, it will be coming here, and then my song 2, you can rename it to Faded. Faded. Okay, done. So done already. Tap and hold until it jiggle. So once it jiggle, right, click on this this button, share. Oops, sorry. Click on this button, share, and click on ringtone. So the ringtone length need to be adjusted for 30 seconds. Okay, continue. Okay, you can save your name, Faded. Okay, export. So exporting ringtone successful. Use sound as your standard ringtone. Done. Now to check the ringtone, right, just go to your phone setting. Okay, go to your sound, and then you see your ringtone is automatically changed to Faded. So to see whether the song works or not. Okay, so that is how you already successfully cut the song already. So this tutorial, this song will play for 25 seconds. That's all. Okay, so that is how you actually do the ringtone and create this custom ringtone without having to jailbreak and use your computer. If you like my tutorial, all you have to do is please like my video, share or subscribe to my channel. I appreciate a lot. So I see you next time for more exciting and very good practical ways to actually use the iPhone. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.